Hello, and welcome to Duolingoprep tutorials on how to improve your writing score in the Duolingo or IELTS tests. To get a higher grade in the essay writing tasks, you have to cover all the requirements of the task. Express your position. Make sure that all the ideas are relevant to the task, and equally covered. For instance, if you are asked to what extent do you agree or disagree that fathers should take a break from their careers and take care of their children while their wives work, you should decide whether you are for or against and why. If you disagree, one body paragraph can discuss the negative psychological effects on stay-at-home fathers like feeling bored, isolated and professionally unfulfilled. The second body paragraph can focus on the financial effects like less income, financial instability and lower life standard. In the next tutorial, we will discuss how to identify the requirements of the writing task and generate ideas quickly to write a coherent, well-developed text. For more videos and practice materials, visit Duolingoprep.com.